Probably the last really busy day of data of the year. Let's get to Rick Santelli with some industrial production. Hey, Rick.
Yes, industrial production, capacity utilization. These are November numbers. We're expecting up 0.1% for production. Comes in twice expectations, up 0.2%. This would be the best industrial production since June of this year. And if we look at capacity utilization, 75.9 is what we were looking for. 76.0 is what arrived. That's the best since July of this year. So even though manufacturing doesn't seem to be running on all cylinders, these numbers do indeed show improvement. We see interest rates have been crawling up ever since this morning's warmer than expected price index on GDP and much stronger growth on GDP. Right now at 419, we're up 2 on a 10-year. At 454, we're up 3 on a 2-year. And there is a slight flattening bias going on in the Treasury complex. The dollar should have closed under 99.14, under 98.14 will be the lowest close in 2.5 months. Squawk on the Street will return after a very short break.